हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द ग्रुप। आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे हरियाणा जुडिशियल सर्विस प्री का पेपर 2017 का। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, अ कॉम्प्रोमाइज विच इज voidable under Indian Contract Act 1872 shall not be deemed to be dash within the meaning of order 23 rule 3 of Code of Civil Procedure 1908. Options are A void, B voidable, C illegal, D lawful, E none of the above. इसका आंसर है D lawful. Question second, where an appellant has withdrawn the appeal preferred against a decree passed ex parte, a subsequent application filed under Order 9, Rule 13 of Code of Civil Procedure shall be option A rejected, B returned, C maintainable, D referred to the appellate court, E none of the above. इसका आंसर होगा C maintainable. Third, which provision of Code of Civil Procedure debars a tenant from filing interpleader suit against his landlord? Option A section 88, option B section 90, option C 35 rule 3, option 4 35 rule 4, E none of the above. इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर होगा none of the above. रूल 5 में दिया हुआ है अंडर सर्टेन सर्कमस्टांसेस फाइल किया जा सकता है. 4. Composition of an offence under Code of Civil Procedure will result in the option A acquittal, B discharge, C compromise, D probation, E none of the above. इसका आंसर है A acquittal. Composition जब होगा तब acquittal होगा. In one question number 5, in one trial, X is convicted against which no appeal lies, whereas conviction against Y is appealable. Whether X can file an appeal against his conviction. Option A no, B yes, C only with special leave, D there is no such provision, E none of the above. इसका आंसर है yes. X can file. Question number 6. Under section dash of Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, it is mandatory for a police officer to inform the person arrested without warrant about the right of bail if the offence is not non-bailable. Not non-bailable मतलब bailable. तो ऑप्शंस हैं 41A, 50, 50A, 54, none of the above. इसका आंसर है 50. सेक्शन 50 में कहा गया है कि ग्राउंड्स ऑफ अरेस्ट बताने होते हैं. Question number 7. X, a blacksmith is seized by a gang of dacoits and forced by threat of instant death to take his tools and forced him to open the door of Y's house. The dacoits then looted Y's money and jewels and also killed Y's son Z. What offense among the following offenses under Indian Penal Code has been committed by X? Option A, dacoity with murder, B, abatement of dacoity and murder, C, no offense, D, preparation to commit dacoity, E, none of the above. तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा सी, नो ऑफेंस. उसने अपनी मर्जी से नहीं किया, इन द थ्रेट ऑफ इंस्टेंट डेथ किया, इसलिए कोई ब्लैकस्मिथ ने किसी भी तरह का ऑफेंस नहीं किया है. Question number 8. For constituting an offense of abduction under Indian Penal Code, the abducted male person should be option A below 16 years, option B below 18 years of age, C insane, D of any age, E none of the above. तो इसका आंसर होगा D of any age. Age limitations kidnapping में है. Question number 9. How many minimum number of persons are required to constitute the offense of rioting under section 146 of Indian Penal Code? C. Rioting के लिए पूछा है. ऑप्शन है A2, B5, C7, D11, E none of the above. तो राइटिंग अनलॉफुल असेंबली जब विद आर्म्स यूज करते हैं किसी तरीके के तो वो राइटिंग कहलाता है. तो ऑप्शन क्या हो जाएगा? बी. 5. The 5 golden principles which constitute the punchil of the proof of a case based on circumstantial evidence are laid down in option A, Haricharan Khurmi versus State of Bihar, Sharad versus State of Maharashtra, Ram Singh versus Colonel Ram Singh, Kashmir Singh versus State of MP, E, none of the above. तो इसका आंसर है B, Sharad versus State of Maharashtra. Question number 11. What minimum number of witnesses are required to prove offense of dacoity in a trial? Option A, 5. Option B, 8. Option B, judges direct how many witnesses are to be examined. Option D, no particular witness number of witnesses prescribed. E, none of the above. तो इसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? D. सेक्शन 134 ऑफ इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट कहता है कि किसी पर्टिकुलर नंबर ऑफ विटनेस की जरूरत नहीं होती है, कोई पर्टिकुलर नंबर नहीं बताता है. 12. The examination after the cross examination of a witness by a party who has called him is called A, additional examination in chief, B, additional cross examination, C, re-examination, D, re-cross examination, E, none of the above. So examination after the cross examination by the party who has called him होता है re-examination. Question number 13. Which article of the Constitution of India provides constitutional safeguards to civil servants? A, 309, option B, 310, option C, 311, option D, 312, E, none of the above. तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा C. 311 में safeguards दिए हैं civil servants को. Question number 14. What kind of jurisdiction has been conferred under Article 143 of the Constitution of India upon the Supreme Court? Options A, appellate jurisdiction. Option B, writ jurisdiction. Option C, original jurisdiction. Option D, supervisory jurisdiction. Option E, none of the above. तो इसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? None of the above, क्योंकि 143 में कैसा दिया हुआ है? एडवाइजरी दिया हुआ है और आपके में एडवाइजरी ऑप्शन नहीं है. 15. A counter claim shall be deemed to have deemed under section 3 of Limitation Act to be instituted. किस दिन instituted माना जाएगा? ऑप्शन है on the same day as the suit in which counter claim is made was filed, on the day on which the counter claim is made by the court. C, either A or B, whichever is beneficial to the defendant. D, either A or B, whichever is beneficial to the plaintiff. E, none of the above. इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, on the day on which the counter claim is made by the court. और सेट ऑफ कब माना जाता है? जिस दिन सूट इंस्टीट्यूट हुआ था उसी दिन को सेट ऑफ की डेट मानी जाती है. Question number 16. Section 15 of the Limitation Act 1963 excludes from computation of limitation. क्या क्या exclude करता है section 15? Option A, period of notice. Option B, time required for obtaining consent. Option C, time required for obtaining sanction. All of the above, none of the above. तो इसका आंसर है all of the above. 17. Section 16 of Hindu Marriage Act confers legitimacy on the children of A, void marriage, B, avoidable marriage, C, a broken marriage, D, both A and B, E, none of the above. तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा D, both A and B, void and voidable marriage. Question number 18. How many additional grounds of divorce are provided for women under section 13(2) of Hindu Marriage Act? Additional grounds कितने हैं women के पास? Option A, 2, option B, 3, option C, 4, option D, 5, option E, none of the above. तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा option C, 4. Next, question number 19. Where a contract, where in a contract between the partners, no provision is made for duration of their partnership or for determination of their partnership. The partnership is option A, unlimited partnership, B, particular partnership, C, implied partnership, D, partnership at will, E, none of the above. तो इसमें क्या आंसर होगा? D, partnership at will. जहां ड्यूरेशन और डिटर्मिनेशन नहीं होती है वहां पार्टनरशिप एट विल है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. No suit for recovery of possession shall be brought under section 6 of specific release act against option A, government, option B, a public company, option C, a private company, option D, all of the above, option E, none of the above. तो इसका आंसर है A, गवर्नमेंट. गवर्नमेंट के अगेंस्ट सूट नहीं ला सकते. क्वेश्चन नंबर 21. Where to prevent breach of an obligation, it is necessary to compel the performance of certain acts which the court is capable of enforcing. Court may, under section 39 of Specific Relief Act, grant A, mandatory injunction, B, perpetual injunction, C, prohibitory injunction, D, specific performance decree, E, none of the above. Section 39 प्लस नेसेसरी टू कंपेल जब होता है तो क्या होगा? मैंडेटरी इंजंक्शन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. द फेयर रेंट ऑफ अ बिल्डिंग और रेंटेड लैंड fixed under Haryana Urban Control of Rent and Eviction Act 1973 generally prevails for a period of C, 5 years. 23. A continuing guarantee may at any time be revoked by the surety as to future transaction by option A, notice to the creditor. Question number 24. What can a catalog of books listing price of each book and specifying the place where the listed books are available be termed as? Option A, as offer, B, an obligation to sell book, C, an invitation to offer, D, a promise to make available the book at listed place, E, none of the above. So option A, invitation to offer. 25. X being in debt to Y, the money lender of his village, contracts a fresh loan on terms which appear to be unconscionable. That the contract was not induced by undue influence is to be proved by. इसको प्रूव करना पड़ेगा, Y को प्रूव करना पड़ेगा कि अनकॉन्शियसनेबल नहीं है, अनड्यू इन्फ्लुएंस नहीं है. 26. The principal facts speak for themselves. ये किस मैक्सिम में एक्सप्रेस किया जा सकता है? Res ipsa loquitur. Question number 27. How many grounds of divorce are provided for a Muslim under section 2, Muslim woman under section 2 of the Dissolution of Muslim Marriage Act? कितने टोटल ग्राउंड्स हैं? 9 ग्राउंड्स हैं. Question 28. X or Y are husband and wife having a son and a daughter. They had adopted a girl Z. The adoption under Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act क्या है? वैलिड है, वॉइड है, वॉइडेबल है, इलीगल है, नन ऑफ द अबव. तो इनके ऑलरेडी सन और डॉटर है और सेक्शन 11 क्या बोलता है कि सन और डॉटर, लिविंग सन डॉटर बाय अडॉप्शन ब्लड रिलेशन नहीं होने चाहिए. तो क्या होगा? वॉइड. 29. Which section of Hindu Succession Act lays down the order of succession among agnates and cognates? कौन सा सेक्शन है? सेक्शन 12. Question number 30. If at the time of solemnization of marriage, wife has been subject to recurrent attacks of insanity under Hindu Marriage Act, the marriage will be voidable. Question number 31. Unavoidable delay up to dash in presentation of documents for registration under Registration Act may be condoned by registrar. तो कितने तक की कर सकता है? 4 months की जो भी डिले है उसे कंडोन कर सकता है रजिस्ट्रार. 32. Which of the following is or are goods according to the Sale of Goods Act? तो गुड्स क्या है? गुड्स एक्ट में स्टॉक्स एंड शेयर, जिसमें लिखा है एक्सेप्ट एक्शनेबल क्लेम एंड मनी। 33. Alienation of a minor property made by a natural guardian without the previous permission of the court under Section 8 Clause 3 of Hindu Minority and Guardianship Act 1956 will be voidable at the instance of minor. Minor के instance से voidable होगा। Question number 34. Pecuniary limits of jurisdiction of civil judge junior division are determined under the Punjab Courts Act 1918 by option B, High Court. Question number 35. Who among the following was the first person to be honored with Bharat Ratna posthumously? मरणोपरांत किसको मिला था? लाल बहादुर शास्त्री। Question number 36. Decibel is the unit of for measuring, क्या measure करने के लिए होती है? Intensity of sound. Question number 37. Which of the following states in India has launched Quit India Movement 2 against social ills? इसका option है महाराष्ट्र। Question number 38. To compel the attendance of a person to whom a summons has been issued under Section 30 of Code of Civil Procedure, the court is empowered to impose upon him fine not exceeding 5,000 rupees. ये कहाँ दिया हुआ है? Section 32 में। Question number 39. Which section of the Code of Civil Procedure states that the place of trial to be deemed an open court? Open court किसमें कहा है? Option C 153B में। 40. A decree for restitution of conjugal rights may be enforced under Order 21 Rule 32 of the Code of Civil Procedure by, कैसे कर सकते हैं? By attachment of property. Option A. Question number 41. If an indigent person succeeds in a suit, the due amount of court fees shall be recoverable from any party ordered by the decree to pay the same. Option C. 42. Which of the following section of the Code of Criminal Procedure declares accused to be a competent defense witness? कौन सा declare करता है? Section 315. 43. Which of the following is incorrect response in the light of Code of Criminal Procedure? कौन सा incorrect है? First, inquiries conducted by the court, ये सही है। Inquiries conducted after framing of the charges. C. Inquiries conducted prior to the framing of charges. D. Inquiry is conducted by the magistrate. तो इसका ऑप्शन कौन सा इनकरेक्ट है? ऑप्शन बी, इंक्वायरी इज कंडक्टेड आफ्टर फ्रेमिंग ऑफ चार्जेस, क्योंकि फ्रेमिंग ऑफ चार्ज के बाद क्या हो जाता है? ट्रायल शुरू हो जाता है। सेक्शन 40, क्वेश्चन नंबर 44. सेक्शन 482 ऑफ कोड ऑफ क्रिमिनल प्रोसीजर सेज इनहेरेंट पावर्स ऑफ, किसकी इनहेरेंट पावर के बारे में बात करता है? हाई कोर्ट की। Question 45. No court shall take cognizance of an offence after the expiry of dash if the offence is punishable with fine only. अगर फाइन का केस है तो 6 months के बाद कोर्ट कॉग्निजेंस नहीं ले सकता है। 46. Section 73 of Indian Penal Code prescribes the maximum limit of solitary confinement to be, कितनी है maximum limit? 3 months. Question number 47. An Indian citizen murders a French citizen in Paris and absconded. He is found by Indian police in Mumbai. He, with the previous sanction of the central government, can be, वो कहाँ prosecute किया जा सकता है? Where he is found, that is prosecuted in Mumbai only. Question 48. A finds a purse with money, not knowing to whom it belongs. He afterwards discovers that it belongs to B. but retains it for his own use. Under Indian Penal Code, A is guilty of. किसके लिए guilty है वो? Option B, criminal misappropriation के लिए. Question 49. Which of the following section of Indian Evidence Act makes an accomplice and a competent witness against the accused? तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, सेक्शन 133. Question number 50. Which of the following section of Indian Evidence Act prescribes condition for making oral admission as to contents of documents as relevant? Oral admission किसके कौन बताता है? Section 20D, 22, option B. Question 51. Which of the following sections of Indian Evidence Act make confession of co-accused admissible? कहां पर ये है confession of co-accused admissible? Section 30 में. Question number 52. In case any question arises as to age of judge of a high court, decision of which of the following authority shall be final as per the Constitution of India? तो किसका decision final होता है? President का decision. Question number 53. Which of the following is not among the languages recognized under 8th schedule? तो इसमें क्या क्या ऑप्शन है? सिंधी, संथाली, डोगरी, बोडो. का आंसर हो जाएगा नन ऑफ दी अबव, क्योंकि ये सारी ही लैंग्वेजेस 8th शेड्यूल में हैं. 54. How many fundamental duties are prescribed under Article 51A of the Constitution of India? तो कितनी है टोटल? 11. ऑप्शन नहीं है, इसलिए नन ऑफ दी अबव. Question 55. A Pakistani citizen residing in India cannot claim fundamental right to. कौन सा नहीं क्लेम कर सकता है? ऑप्शंस है इक्वालिटी बिफोर लॉ, लाइफ एंड पर्सनल लिबर्टी, फ्रीडम ऑफ ट्रेड एंड प्रोफेशन, फ्रीडम ऑफ रिलीजन, नन ऑफ द अबव. तो बाकी इसको छोड़ के, फ्रीडम ऑफ ट्रेड एंड प्रोफेशन को छोड़ के बाकी सारे अवेलेबल है सभी को, और इसके सिर्फ अवेलेबल है सिटीजन को. क्वेश्चन नंबर 56. What will be the limitation period for instituting a suit for which no specific period of limitation is provided under Limitation Act? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, 3 years. Section 13B of the Hindu Marriage Act has been incorporated by the Amendment Act of 1976. Question number 58. Which of the following is not a mode of dissolution of firm under Indian Partnership Act? Option A, dissolution by agreement. Option B, compulsory dissolution. Option C, dissolution by registrar. Option D, dissolution by court. None of the above. तो इसका आंसर है dissolution by registrar. Question 59. Under Section 16 of Specific Relief Act 1963, in a suit for specific performance of contract, the plaintiff must ever performance of or readiness and willingness to perform. What is the meaning of readiness? Readiness का क्या मतलब होता है? Readiness का मतलब है plaintiff capacity including financial. ठीक है, उसका सिर्फ कहना नहीं बल्कि उसकी कैपेसिटी की वो कंप्लीट भी कर पाएगा, ये भी इंपॉर्टेंट होती है. Question number 60. Any agreement between the landlord and tenant for the payment of any sum in addition to fixed fair rent shall under Haryana Urban Control of Rent and Eviction Act 1973B. ऑप्शन इसका क्या है? A, null and void. Question number 61. When consent to an agreement is caused by misrepresentation under Indian Contract Act, तो agreement क्या हो जाएगा? Agreement will be voidable. Question number 62. Hui facet per alium facet per se means he, options are he who has not the power of alienating is under the necessity of retaining. B. He who does not the power of alienating is under the necessity of retaining. C. He who does not prohibit when he is able to prohibit is in fault. He who is silent appears to consent. E. None of the above. तो इसका आंसर none of the above हो जाएगा क्योंकि इस मैक्सिम का मतलब होता है he who acts through another acts himself. Question number 63. If a Hindu male dies intestate leaving behind mother, father, son, brother and sister, the property will devolve on. अगर हिंदू मेल की डेथ हो रही है और फादर मदर सन ब्रदर सिस्टर सब है तो किससे होगा? सबसे पहले कौन होते हैं? मदर एंड सन. फर्स्ट क्लास में कौन है? मदर एंड सन गेटिंग हाफ शेयर ईच. Section 6 option question 64. Which section of Registration Act makes it compulsory to affix size photographs and fingerprints upon the documents to be registered? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी 32A. Question 65. Warranty as per section 12 of Sale of Goods Act 1930 is A. A stipulation essential to main purpose of contract. B. A stipulation collateral to main purpose of contract. C. The same as condition. D. A ground for repudiating the contract. E. None of the above. इसका आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन बी. A stipulation collateral to main purpose of contract. जो essential to main purpose होती है ये condition होती है. Question 66. Who among the following under Hindu minority and guardianship will be the natural guardian of minor wife person? कौन होगा? Husband. 67. Yad Vashem is an Israeli Holocaust memorial. Question number 68. Where is headquarter of World Anti-Doping Agency? कहाँ है? मॉन्ट्रियल में. Question number 69. Sir Creek, a disputed region between India and Pakistan, क्या है? It's the tidal estuary. 70. Sudirman Cup is associated with which game? तो इस गेम से है बैडमिंटन. देखिए हरियाणा में टोटल ऑफ 125 क्वेश्चन आते हैं. आज हमने 70 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए हैं लेटर और हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बाकी के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे. आई होप आपको ये समझ में आया होगा और ये प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम के लिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट.